before we play Entitled Tuesday. This way everybody can lose all their channel points. That's mate, that's mate, that's mate, that's mate, whoops, mate. Feels a little bit off. Okay, this is checkmate, 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 checkmate. What is this? It's good. Should be rook e8. It's good. Good. Check, checkmate. That's good. Checkmate. That's good. Should be check and rook d2 and take the queen. That's good. Here, trade the queens, take the knight. That's good. This should be mate. Check. I guess rook f2 and takes. Okay, that looks good. Should be check and mate. There we go. Must be takes, takes. a4, a3, a2. That's good. Takes, check, takes. That's good. Check and mate. That's good. Should be here in f5 and takes. That's good. Should be h7 and just take the rook. That's good. I guess it's this here and here, and that's good. We check and takes and take the rook. That's good. Check and mate. That's good. Should be checkmate. There should be takes. a4, h6, a3. So it should be here, and here, and then you win. There we go. It's probably checking queen f8, create the lolly mate. There we go. This could be takes. I think that's wrong, or is that's right? Okay, very, very, very strange puzzle. Should be check, check, takes. That's good. Should be here in rook a8 to collect the queen. That's good. Must be knight f3, takes, and rook e3, and that's good. This could be bishop b5. It could also be king e5, check and take. That's good. There we go. That's good. There we go. It's not queen c1. It's not knight e5. It's not knight f4. It could just be a4, a3, which looks really ridiculous, but I think it is just a4, a3. Very weird. Strange puzzle. Should be this. That's good. That's mate. That's good. I guess it's just check. That's good. This should be queen g6 check, but what is the next move? It must be queen g6. Is it rook f4 maybe? Okay, this is a hard puzzle. It could be bishop f4 too. I think it is. Okay, that's good. Or is this b4? Yeah, there we go. That's good. There we go. That's good. 45 up. This should be check, checkmate. I got to speed up a little bit too slow. Checkmate. That's good. Is this rook h1? Yeah. I don't know what this puzzle is. It could be rook d2 and f6. Trust my instinct that this is correct. It is. That's good. Okay. 48. Buck 57 must be e4 takes and takes. That's good. 49. And rook h8, check and mate. That's good. 50 up. This could be knight g6. It could also be like rook g6. Could be rook h5. I don't know what the puzzle move is here. I'm gonna guess it's rook h5 takes and takes. Okay, that's good. 51. Buck 32 left. This probably is wrong, or is this? Wait, king. Okay. Still okay. D4, rook d4, h3, rook h4 maybe. I guess it's wrong. Okay. Wait, now there's queen e6, king d8, and rook d1. I guess this is correct. And just takes and takes. Very hard. I just messed it all up. There's no way I'm getting to. There's no way that I'm getting to 60 here. That's good. I mean, yeah, I don't know what it is.